What's up everybody, welcome back to Tailgate Masters. Today I'm going to show you how to fix your washer nozzles, whether they are not spraying on your windshield and or if they have weak spray pattern. As you can see here on the passenger side, looks like the sprayer nozzle is clogged and the driver's side is spraying off the windshield. First thing we're going to do is open up the hood and remove these two 10mm bolts holding the washer reservoir. We are going to then remove this connector on the washer pump as well as the line that goes to the hood. As you can see here, inside the reservoir, it looks like some mildew and some other dirty debris in there. We're going to give it a quick clean. That way we don't end up clogging up these sprayers again.
Looks pretty oily in there. Pour this out.
Alright, so we just cleaned the reservoir and we're just going to reinstall this, connect the hose back to the pump as well as the connector, and then we're going to bolt it back on the two 10mm. With that done, we're going to move on to the hood and the actual sprayer nozzles. You're going to have a nozzle on each side of the hood, so all you have to do is pull on the hoses to remove the hose, and to pop off the sprayer nozzles, you use a flat head and push up against it. Here are what the nozzles look like up close. We're just going to use an air compressor and shoot some air through these nozzles, and hopefully it'll unclog them. Another useful hint is you can use a paper clip and jam it into the sprayer nozzle holes to clear out any debris that's stuck in there as well. With the nozzles cleaned out, we're going to reinstall them onto the hood and then give it a quick test. The passenger side nozzle is now spraying at full capacity, and the driver's side is aimed directly at the windshield. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos on the Impreza L.